Welcome back friends. In one of my previous video, some of you have asked doubt on adjusting the headlight of Suzuki Swift car. For that, the first thing you have to do is identify the headlight adjustment switch. By toggling this switch, you can adjust the level of the light. The whole light assembly will move accordingly to give you a better visibility. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In some cases, you need to manually do some minor adjustment for better focus. For that, open up the bonnet and identify the manual adjustment screw. Screw is located behind the headlight assembly. At the top of the headlight assembly, there is a small groove that guides the screwdriver towards the screw. After inserting the screwdriver, do your desired adjustment. It's as simple as that. The headlight adjustment may be similar in latest Suzuki cars. If you find any difference, do comment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.